Hi everyone, welcome to tutorial number 9, Speak Tagalog by Juanita Gutierrez. This book is available now at Amazon and all bookstores. Today in our tutorial number 9, I am going to give you a quiz. But this quiz is different from other tests because your teacher, is going to give you the answer. Who in Tagalog is sino, spelling S-I-N-O. Sino, who. Where in Tagalog, saan. Saan, spelling S-A-A-N. Saan. What in Tagalog is ano. Ano. Ano, A-N-O. Ano, that's what. When. When, kailan. Kailan, spelling K-A-I-L-A-N. Kailan is when. Kailan, when. Ano, what. Saan, where. Sino, who. That's all for now, and I'm sure you will get 100. So have fun speaking Tagalog. Now you'll find this book in Amazon and all bookstores. Speak Tagalog by Juanita Gutierrez. Mabuhay. Enjoy your day.